Welcome to Ernesto Auto Body Repair Solutions and Repair Corp, a mechanic and auto body company with more than 55 years of experience serving the city of Lynn, Massachusetts. Our company is locally known for providing cost-effective services of auto repair, suspension and brake services, paint and refinishing, transmission repair, auto electrical, body repair, and more. For the latest offers and promotions, visit our social media profiles on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube. To schedule an on-site appointment to get a free estimate, call us at this number or visit our website, Ernesto Auto Body Repair Solutions and Repair Corp, where high quality and good services go hand by hand.